Hello friends, myself Chetan Thakur. Today we learn Standard 9 English Medium subject Science. Chapter number 1. In chapter number 1, first we have to study what is matter, definition of matter. After study matter, characteristic of matter, then state of matter, solid, liquid and gaseous, and then characteristic of solid state, liquid state and gaseous state. Now in this lecture we have to study how can you, or a question mark, water can change state, or a matter can change one state to another state. So first our topic is it can matter change state or not. So first state of matter, three state: solid, liquid and gaseous state. So three state, so change state or not. So this topic understand by small activity. Have to take some this. Here apply heat container and some ice piece. Use ice piece and cover this ice piece. So these are cover all containers of ice piece, because not effect of other temperature, pressure. So reduce this temperature, pressure of atmosphere is covered with this, and one thermometer to measure temperature in a container. So measure temperature. So in this experiment, first ice in a solid state after heat. So we observe that when after continue heating of this ice piece, so temperature will be rise, suppose in -10, -5, yeah, for 0 degree Celsius of ice before heating. After heating continuously, temperature will be increased. It means ice melt and converted ice after some time into water in a liquid state. So ice first solid state, so gaseous state converted after heating is liquid. So we can measure 0 degree Celsius ice, water. It's converted at a room temperature. So after 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 continuously at the room temperature converted, and further heating, also heating large amount of heat, is converted state by water vapor. It means gaseous state. So here observe, after heating, it means effect of temperature. After heating, effect of temperature apply on convert one state to another state. First solid state, after heat converted into liquid state, further heat converted into gaseous state, water vapor, gaseous state. So continuously heating, matter can be changed state. Is right. Matter can change state after applying heat. It means effect of temperature to change one state to another state of matter. So first solid converted into liquid, liquid converted into gaseous state. So after heating converted into gaseous state. Now this process is reversible or not? We have to check this reason. So water vapor can cool down. Water vapor can cool down. It means cool. So temperature will be decrease. So water vapor converted into liquid. After further cooling, cool this liquid. So converted into gases. So process is also reversible. It means change state solid to gaseous and gaseous to solid, but not directly here. Step by step, solid converted into liquid, liquid converted into water vapor. Now reverse, water vapor converted into liquid, liquid converted into solid. So conclusion that activity, matter can change state by applying heating. It means effect of temperature is on a matter can change this state. So here two topic understand in activity. One, solid converted into liquid state, liquid converted into gaseous state. So in a 1 atmospheric pressure, is a standard pressure. 1 atmospheric pressure, solid substance converted into liquid in this temperature is known as melting point of this substance or a matter. Understand once again. 1 atmospheric pressure, solid substance converted into liquid state in which temperature? This temperature is known as melting point of given substance or given matter. So which temperature? Suppose 5 degree. One substance is melt, solid to liquid in a 5 degree. So 5 degree is a melting point of given substance. This example and definition of melting point. Now another definition. Understanding when solid start converted into gaseous state. So same 1 atmospheric pressure, 1 atmospheric pressure, liquid converted into gaseous state or a vapor. This temperature is known as boiling point of substance. Boiling point of substance. So two definition, melting point and boiling point. Melting point means atmospheric pressure, solid substance converted into liquid state. In this temperature, solid converted liquid, this temperature is known as melting point of this substance. Next topic is boiling point. 1 atmospheric pressure, it means 180 P. So from liquid converted into gaseous or water vapor to boil, in which 3 similar words you can say that gaseous state, in vapor state or a liquid is started to boil. So which temperature started liquid to boiling? So this temperature is called boiling point of given liquids. So two definition understand, boiling point and melting point. Now we understand that first solid, liquid and then gaseous. It means process is step by step. First solid, then liquid and then gaseous. But some substance is directly converted into solid to directly gaseous. It means this step is skipped. No, this step available. Solid is directly converted into vapor, it means gaseous state. So this type of substance is known as sublimated substance, and this process is known as sublimation. Important definition of this chapter asked in exam. Sublimation. Sublimation in which temperature solid is directly converted into gaseous, not liquid. So this substance is known as sublimated substance, and this process is known as sublimation. Example of sublimated substance, it means NH4Cl, camphor. So camphor and NH4Cl. NH4Cl means ammonium chloride, and camphor we can use our daily life. So sublimation, this process, it means solid is directly converted into gases after some applying heat or energy. So this process is known as sublimation, and this substance is known as sublimated substance. So remember these three definitions. Now some discuss about temperature related discuss. So SI unit of temperature. SI unit of temperature is Kelvin, and symbol is capital K. So remember, for us in BSQ 1 marks, SI unit of temperature is Kelvin, is denoted or symbol is K. Now 0 degree Celsius means how many Kelvins? So degree Celsius into Kelvin. So 273.60 degree Kelvin. 0 degree Celsius means 273.16 Kelvin. It means temperature in Kelvin is equal to degree Celsius plus 273. Suppose we have to change 25 degree Celsius, how many Kelvins? So understand that 25 degree Celsius is equal to how many Kelvins? So degree Celsius plus 273 means 25 plus 273 is equal to 2, 5 plus 3, 8, 7 plus 2, 9. It means 298 Kelvin. So 25 degree Celsius is equal to 298 Kelvin. So this is a conversion of degree Celsius to Kelvin, or also Kelvin into degree Celsius. So 293 Kelvin, it means 25 degree Celsius. So minus Kelvin to degree Celsius minus 273, or degree Celsius to Kelvin plus 273. Exact value is 270.16, but in the calculation of the chapter all further I go for a more all sum calculated as a value taken 273, but exact value is 273.16. But in a calculation or example we take 273. So further next, remember this topic, conversion of temperature to Kelvin, Kelvin, degree Celsius, these three definitions. Now for another topic is latent heat. LEATN. Latent heat means we have to ice one container and cube of ice. Now no extra apply energy, only on a room we have to ice cube. So put ice cube in a container or a beaker and stay away here. Now after some time, no apply heat, no apply extra pressure, this ice is converted into water. So what happened? Without temperature apply state conversion. So this conclusion or the reason is, in a beaker air particles or in a beaker also contain number of particles. So these particles contain lots of energy in it. So this energy to provide ice cube into liquid, it means ice cube converted into water. So this particles energy, inner particle energy, this energy is a known as latent heat. And definition of latent heat means one atmospheric pressure in temperature 1 kg of solid converted into liquid apply requirement of heat. How much requirement of heat? When 1 atmospheric pressure 1 kg ice or 1 kg solid substance converted into liquid substance, this requirement energy is called latent heat. So understand all definition: sublimation, boiling point, melting point, latent heat, and conversion of Kelvin to degree Celsius to Kelvin, and matter can change state. So answer is yes. How? So apply temperature or applying extra heat, and sometime without applying heat also contain state. So reason is here latent heat, it means particles contain heats to convert of solid state to liquid state. So remember, revise and written down your notebook.